guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Divanay. Hello. Those who are new, I gotta say hello. Welcome. And for those who are my returning subscribers, wagwan. I'm going to be doing a full glam makeup. It's my friend's birthday, or they're twins. It's my friend's birthday, and yeah, it's a glam night, so I gotta look glam. So here goes. Before I get into this video, please hit that subscribe button, making sure all your notification bells are on, so when your girl picks up, okay, not when your girl picks up, when your girl pops up, you don't miss a video, guys. Okay, my eyes are red. I don't know if you guys could pick it up, but my eyes are proper red. I scrubbed my skin, and then like the bits of the granules got into my eye, and I'm just like, Urgh. Anyway, as you guys can see, I've done my eyebrows. I did it off camera. Alright guys, I'm wearing this synthetic wig from Amazon. It's really nice. It's my second time wearing it. I'm just gonna do my makeup, then I will get ready and come back and conclude the video. I'm going to do a simple eyeshadow, but I want it to be like slightly sparkly. And I just had, where is the thing for my eyes? Get everything ready. And I don't know where, okay, it's in front of me, blind. So we are going to take the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color. So I woke up like this, or strike a pose, and I'm not sure what to do. Okay, I did wake up like this. And blend it out. If you hear that noise, it's my cat. Hey, get down. Sissy, down. Guys, are you hearing this? Let me take another brush. Sorry, not sorry. Which is that color. So I'm just taking this color. God, this hair. I'm just taking this color out on my outer V. So I'm just damping that on. And I feel like a flat shading brush. I don't know, I feel like it just brings it. I feel like it takes up most of the product, and I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna blend that out, guys. Just to give it that softer feel. I don't even like doing eyeshadow. I think we're in times where we don't need to be doing eyeshadow, but sometimes it's needed. But yeah, I just feel like it's so 2016. I'm going to use this e.l.f. 24K Gold. It's like a liquidy, glittery eyeshadow, but I'm gonna just base my eye a little bit with gold. I'm such a braid girl, and I can't deal with wigs or waving. I can't deal with it. It's too much. This is not like a cut crease. It's not anything too complicated, but yeah, just place that on my eye. I'm just gonna put this over where I put the gold. If you guys can see, if you guys can even see. I hope you guys can see this, you know. Oh, should she see? Anywho, let me just go back in with this flat shading brush. Next is the baseline. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Power Grip to prime my face. So I'm just going to blend that out. God, my skin looks so good. Even though I've like rocked out and like a spot there and a spot there, it looks good. A few of you have been asking about skincare routine. I shall do a video so I can show you guys what I use. But it's not like anything like fancy or anything. It's just basic skincare. And I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier foundation in the color Pecan. We use it to blend that out. Key to a flawless base is that you just keep blending. And after this, I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender. I always feel like a beauty blender just, you know, sets it into your skin. I have a beauty blender. Oh, it's quite damp. And I'm just gonna you know, set that in my face. To be honest, I think it's actually setting, but I just wanna go over it again, just to give it that flawless finish. I'm gonna spray my face with the Troublemaker setting spray in No Sweat Sport. I don't do sport. I sweat like I do sport, so I'm just gonna spray this all over my foundation just to set it like more in place. I love the way it comes out. Dry, 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 dry. Now I'm gonna go in with my usual, one of my faves, or is my fave, Made by Mitchell case. So I think I'm gonna take the Chocolate Charm, this color here. See guys, it's more like a warm color. I'm gonna use Blend and Snatch on the nose. The one good thing about Made by Mitchell is that his cream palette, it just blends out so easy. I feel like I want to use two blushes. I feel like I want to use Cherry Cola and Mango Jackery. I don't know if you guys can see that. If you guys can see it, but I'm going to use these two. Blending colors, it will come out a different color when I use the other one. I don't think it's picking up on camera, but I didn't want to use where's the SPF, it's too bright. I was going to do it slightly, so let me just use this. Up, up, up. Cherry Cola on top. Now it's time for me to take my concealer, NYX concealer in the shade Caramel. Let me go with it. Oh God, guys, it's like this hair is doing my nutting. Let's blend it out, guys. Let me put some here, here, some here, here, here. So let's blend this out. See guys, it's faded away. Powder puff, and I'm going to use my MCO Beauty Miracle powder in the shade Medium Warm 3 and the dupe to Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use this. forehead. I am feeling it now. So let me get these bad boys out. Take a good look. And I am going to put it on. I like little lashes, but little full lashes. So like this is what I am going for. So let me put that on. I want to put lashes on first and I'll come back, okay? So guys, I have come back. I have put my lashes on. I hate like when one lash looks higher than the other. It's so annoying. But yes guys, I have placed my lashes on. I have put a bit of liner and a bit of eyeshadow at the bottom, as you guys could see. The MUA powder in the shade 182, hashtag 182. So I'm just gonna just it's just like, yeah. And powder my face. Press curve case palette. I'm still gonna go in with the orange, as I did the base with the orange, so I'm still gonna use this orangey color. And then I'm gonna go in with the cherry. It's good to use two blushes, guys. Oh god, that's too much. I'm gonna powder that back. And then I am going to use the Troublemaker highlighter in Honey Bunny Gold. Literally up here on my cheekbone. I'm going to use the Peaches and Cream lip liner in B-line. Made by Mitchell lip gloss in the shade Baddie. And I always like to finish it with a gloss on top. That's my lip combo. So now I'm going to spray my face with the MK Beauty Flawless Finish Spray. And then I'm gonna come back and conclude. Okay, people? Oh. Guys. Woo. So guys, I am ready to go out now. And yeah, this is my full glam look. To be honest, it's more like soft / full. But yeah, guys, I hope you did like this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to turn your notification bells on, okay? So guys, I'm ready to go and boogie. And I shall see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.